Now take another example. 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 of x plus 1 does not lie between 1 and 4, x belongs to R. First, to simplify it, give this one. Again, let y is equal to 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 of x plus 1. That is equal, the LCM is 3x plus 1 of x plus 1. 3x plus 1 and 3x plus 1 get cancelled. X plus 1 plus x plus 1 and x plus 1 get cancelled. 3x plus 1 minus 1, that is equal 1 get cancelled. 3x plus x, 4x plus 1 by, to simplify it, 3x square plus 3x plus x plus 1. Now therefore y is equal to 4x plus 1 by 3x square plus 3x plus x. 4x plus 1, x belongs to real number. Now this is a actual question. Now same procedure to cross multiply it. Y of 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal 4x plus 1. 3x square into y plus 4xy plus y is equal to R transpose minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Now x square terms take common, or only one x square term there here. So we can write simply 3y into x square. Now x take common, 4y minus 4 plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it's in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now compare that quantities. A is equal to 3y, b is equal to 4y minus 4 or 4 of y minus 1. Now c is equal to y minus 1. A is equal to 3y, b is equal to 4 of y minus 1, c is equal to 1. Now, so x belongs to real number. So delta is greater than 0, that is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Now b square. So 4 of y minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 3y into y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So 16 of y square plus 1 minus 2y minus 4 3 is 12 y square minus or minus plus 12y greater than or equal to 0. That is 16y square plus 16 minus 32y minus 12y square plus 12y greater than or equal to 0. 16 minus 12, 4y square minus 32 and plus 12 minus 20y plus 16 greater than or equal to 0. So all are divided by 4. It is y square minus 5y plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Now the factors are, and 4, the middle term is minus 5. So minus 4 and minus 1. So y square minus 4y minus 1y plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Y take common, y minus 4 minus 1 take common, y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Now again y minus 4 take common y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. That means so x minus alpha and x minus beta greater than or equal to 0, x less than or equal to alpha or x greater than or equal to beta. So that means it does not lie between. So y is less than or equal to 1 or y is greater than or equal to 4. So y does not lie between 1 and 4. Now, last example. If the expression x minus b by x square minus 3x plus 2 for all x belongs to R, find the limits of p. In the previous problems, directly asking the question, what is the limits or what is the range of the given expression. But in this expression, there is a one constant there. This is important one. So, what is the limits of the constant? Now, the procedure is same. It does not change. Let y is equal to x minus b by x square minus 3x plus 2 cross multiply yx square minus 3xy plus 2y minus x plus p is equal to 0. Now write in order. Yx square plus x take common minus 3y minus 1 plus 2y plus p is equal to 0. So it's in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to y, b is equal to minus 3y minus 1, c is equal to 2y plus p. Now, x belongs to real, so delta is greater than or equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Now, minus take common 3y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a into 2y plus p greater than or equal to 0. Whole square is positive. 9y square plus 1 plus 6y minus 4 to 8y square minus 4by greater than or equal to 0. Now, 9 minus 8 y square plus y take common 6 minus 4p plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So, here already greater than or equal to 0. Now, the delta is less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Now, what is a here? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 minus 4p, c is equal to 1. What is a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 minus 4p, c is equal to 1. Now, so b square 6 minus 4p whole square minus 4 into 1 into c value also 1 less than 0. Now expand it. 36 plus 16p square minus 6 4 is 24, 24 2 is 48p minus 4 less than 0. So 16p square minus 48p plus 36 minus 4 32 less than 0. Now, in 16th table, p square 3p 2 less than 0. So 16 1 is 16, 16 3 is 48, 16 no 2 is 32 less than 0. Now it is also a quadratic form. Now the factors are p square minus 2p minus p plus 2 less than 0. Take p common, p minus 2 minus 1 take common, p minus 2 less than 0. Again p minus 2 take common, so p minus 1 less than 0. So x minus alpha, x minus beta less than 0. So x is lies between alpha and beta. That is p is lies between 1 and 2. So the limits of p are 1 comma 2. Now, solve 2x power 4 plus x cube minus 11x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So the degree, this is the fourth degree polynomial. Now there are 4 roots are there. Now first you should divide it with 2. X power 4 plus x cube minus 11x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is the fourth degree equation. Now divided by x square divided by x square, it becomes 2x power 4 by x square plus x cubed by x square minus 11x square by x square plus x by x square plus 2 by x square equal to 0. Now 2 times and 2 times get cancelled, and 2 times and 2 times get cancelled, and 1 time and 1 time get cancelled. So the remaining is 2x square plus x minus 11 plus 1 by x plus 2 by x square is equal to 0. Now the coefficients of x square and the reciprocal of the x square to write one time. Okay, దగ్గర రాసుకుంటే 2x square plus 2 by x square, next x terms ఒక దగ్గర రాసుకుంటే x plus 1 by x minus 11 equal to 0. Now take 2 common, x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 by x minus 11 equal to 0. Now first of all, put or let x plus 1 by x is equal to sum a. Squaring on both sides, it becomes x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to a square. Now to expand it, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x, it is 2 is equal to a square. Now x square plus 1 by x square equal to transpose it, it becomes a square minus 2. Now take the number, let it be 1. So x plus 1 by x is equal to a, and x square plus 1 by x square equal to a square minus 2. To substitute in the second equation, first equation from 1, so 2 of a square minus 2 plus a minus 11 equal to 0. To simplify it, 2a square minus 4 plus a minus 11 equal to 0. 2a square plus a minus 15 equal to 0. So now it is a quadratic equation. The factors are 2 into 15 minus 30. The middle term is 1. Now the factors of minus 30. 5 6 are 30. So 5 and 6, okay, minus 5 plus 6. So 2a square plus 6a minus 5a minus 15 equal to 0. Now in the first two terms, take 2a common. So a plus 3. Next in the last two terms, minus 5 take common, a plus 3 is equal to 0. Now again a plus 3 take common, 2a minus 5 is equal to 0. That means a plus 3 is equal to 0, a is equal to minus 3. Next, 2a minus 5 is equal to 0, 2a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5 by 2. Now case 1. If a is equal to minus 3, but what is a? X plus 1 by x is equal to a. We want the result in terms of x. So here we know that a values in two cases, one is minus 3 and another one is 5 by 2. Now x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 3. Now simplify it. LCM is x square plus 1 equal to minus 3. So x square plus 1 equal to minus 3x. To transpose it, x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Now to solve x square plus 3x plus 1, x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now the factors of x square plus 3x plus 1. So the middle term is a greater than the last term. Now using the formula, x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square, 9 minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1, that equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 4 is 5 by 2. So that is x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2 is that two factors. Now the case 2, if a is equal to 5 by 2, x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. Now simplify it. X square plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiplication, 2x square plus 2 is equal to 5x. Now write in the quadratic form, 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Now, so 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0, 2 2s are 4, and the middle term is minus 5, minus 4 minus 1. So 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Now take 2x is common in the first two terms, x minus 2. Next take common minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore again x minus 2 take common, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the roots are minus 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2 comma 2 comma 1 by 2. This is a final answer. Sometimes the question is asking like this. If x is a real, find the maximum and minimum values of the expression x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3. The previous problem, find the range of the following expression and చెప్పుకున్నాము. Range అన్న maximum and minimum value అన్న ఒకటే equation గా treat చేయాలి, ఒకటే model. Now, so the procedure is same, no change. Let y is equal to x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3. Now cross multiplication, y into x square plus 2xy plus 3y is equal to x square plus 14x plus 9. Now transpose it. So x square take common, y minus 1 plus x take common, 2y minus 14 plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. So x square minus of y minus 1 plus x into 2y plus 14x to transpose opposite side, it becomes minus 14 plus 3y minus 9. Now it's in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here a is equal to y minus 1, b is equal to 2y minus 14, c is equal to 3y minus 9. So to compare that, coefficients of x square, x and constant. Now x belongs to real number, so delta is greater than or equal to 0. Delta is greater than or equal to. Delta is greater than or equal to means discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Now to substitute it, 2y minus 14 whole square minus 4 of y minus 1 into 3y minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Now take 2 common or to simplify it. So take 2 common, 2y whole square, that is 4y square plus 14 14s 196 plus 196 by 196 a square plus b square minus 2ab, 14 2 ja 28, 28 2 ja 56 y, next minus 4 of, you should multiply with y minus 1 of 3y minus 1, y into 3y, 3y square, y into minus 9, minus 9y, minus 1 into 3y, minus 3y, minus of minus plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Now, so 4y square plus 196 minus 56y, again minus 4 of 3y square, 9 minus 3 minus 9 minus 3 minus 12y plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. So 14y square plus 196 minus 56y minus, multiply with minus 4 minus 12y square minus of minus plus 12 4 ja 48y minus 4 into 9, 9 4 ja 36 greater than or equal to 0. Now, so write in order, 4 minus 12 minus 8 y square, next minus 56 and plus 48, 56 and 48, so 8, so minus 8y. Now the constants, 196 minus 36, 196 36, so 0 6 160, so plus 160 greater than or equal to 0. Now divided with minus 8. So it becomes y square plus y minus 20 less than or equal to 0. It divided by with negative, inequality sign also change, greater than or equal to becomes less than or equal to. So y square plus y minus 20 less than or equal to 0 is a quadratic inequation. Now the factors of this one, 1 into minus 20 and the middle value is 1. So 4 5 ja 20. So 4 minus 5, sorry, minus 4 plus 5 minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 into 5 minus 20. Now y square, okay, plus 5y minus 4y minus 20 less than or equal to 0. First two terms take y common, y plus 5 minus 4 take common, y plus 5 less than or equal to 0. Now y plus 5 of y minus 4 less than or equal to 0. Now already I said x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equal to 0. If x minus alpha and x minus beta less than or equal to 0, less than 0, so the x value is lies between alpha and beta. So here the x value is lies between, so it is minus 4 becomes plus 4 and y plus 5 it is minus 5. Therefore the maximum value is 4, minimum value is minus 5. Now take another example, somewhat different one. Solve 7 power 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x is equal to 50. X belongs to real number. Now we know that the formula in the lower classes a power m plus n, a power m plus n or a power m a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. This is 1. And a power m minus n equal to a power m by a power n. This is the another one in the lower classes exponents chapter. Now apply that formulas here. So 7 power 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x plus 50 to transpose it, it becomes minus 50 is equal to 0. Now this is a power m into a power n formula, a power m plus n. This is 7 into 7 power x plus 7 into 7 power minus x can be right 1 by 7 power x minus 50 is equal to 0. Let it be by 1 and let it be by 1. So that implies the denominator is 7 power x. So 7 power x is multiplied with here 7 into 7 power x into 7 power x plus 7 minus 50 into 7 power x is equal to 0. To transpose it here 7 into 7 power x into 7 power x whole square. Next minus 50 into 7 power x plus 7 is equal to 0 into 7 power x. Now 7 into 7 power x whole square minus 50 into 7 power x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now let 7 power x is equal to some a, it is 7a square minus 50a plus 7 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. It's a quadratic equation. So the factors of quadratic equation. So 7a square, 7 7 ja 49. The middle term is minus 50. So 49 once 49, 49 minus 49 and minus 1 minus 50. So 7a square minus 50a plus 7 equal to 0. 7a square minus 49a minus a plus 7 equal to 0. 7a take common, a minus 7 minus take common, a minus 7 is equal to 0. Again a minus 7 take common, 7a minus 1 is equal to 0. So a minus 7 equal to 0 or 7a minus 1 equal to 0. A is equal to 1 by 7. Here a is equal to 7. Now, so but what is a? Our assumption 7 power x is equal to a. So 7 power x is equal to a. So a is what? 7. So 7 power x is equal to 7 power 1. So the bases are equal, power should be equal, therefore x is equal to 1. Or in another case, so 7 power x is equal to, this can be right 7 power minus 1. So 1 by 7 can be right in the exponential form 7 power minus 1. So bases are equal, power should be equal, that is equal to x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the x is equal to minus 1 comma 1.